What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We're going to go to Goodwill, see if we can find anything to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. But first, take a look at this. Is this not the cutest critter to ever exist in the world? What is up, Soap? Not only that, but we have a little noodle under here. Bye, baby. All right, we have made it to the Goodwill. It is absolutely freezing and snowy out. There's a good amount of people here, though. Everybody's thrifting on a cold day. Hopefully we find some stuff. All right, first things first. Gotta check out the electronics. Ooh, it's looking barren. Oh, that's a little Among Us. It's kind of cool. For how much? $1.99? And it's yellow. Is yellow on sale? Oh, it is. Look at that. 50% off. $1 for a little Among Us. That's cool. We'll take them. Or her. Look at her. She's pink. Okay, we'll take her. And, oh, we have another little plushie here for $1.99. We'll leave that one. All right, what do we have down here? Yikes. Okay. We have some pots in the electronics section. Some really, rusted up. Those look weird. Okay, what do we got down here? A Daewoo for VCRs is not the best. You really want to look for those Panasonic with the blue line across the front. They sell really well. Sony's sell really well. Video Go, I think, sells pretty good. But Daewoo, no, I don't think that one's that good. Let's see, what else do we have here? Not seeing too much else. Here's a calculator, not the right type, but it is half off, $2.50. We'll leave it though. All right, below that, this is kind of interesting. A Bartesian. I see vodka, gin, rum, whiskey, tequila, and a little Bartesian. Oh, $20 though. But this is kind of cool. And maybe you put a little pod of, I don't even know what, coffee? I have no idea what the plug is here. I'm gonna look into this, see what this is.
Imagine making premium cocktails at the touch of a button. Introducing Bartesian.
As you guys see, we threw it in the cart, meaning it's got to be worth something, right? Well, we looked it up. Here are the sold listings. It is selling brand new for $300 plus shipping, used for $110 plus $110 shipping. There's a new one for $400. Crazy. So, yeah. Oh, there's another used one for $150-ish. So, yeah, we'll grab it. So I just grabbed this toy off the shelf. It's a Cars off-road rally race for $4. It's not sealed, so I don't know if it's complete in there. But at $4, I think it's a good deal. I looked it up, and there's only 3 listed. Here's one without the cars for $40 plus $10 shipping. 2 brand new ones for $125 and $123. Now, if we look at the solds, one sold a month or 2 ago for $125. So 3 listed, 1 sold. That's not terrible. Mine, hopefully it has the cars. I'm going to open it up and check. If it has the cars, I don't see why I can't list it for like $75 at $4. That is great. It's also out of stock on Amazon, so nobody's selling this really. Let's see if it's complete in there. Alright, so I have it all pulled out right here, and first thing I'm noticing that's slightly wrong is we do have an off-road car from Cars, which is great, but on the box it says there should be an off-road Lightning McQueen, others shown sold separately. So I have that green guy, I don't have Lightning McQueen, but at least I do have a car, so that could be good. And now I just have to make sure the rest of it is fully complete, and I think it's still okay. I mean, I still have one card that is supposed to come with, and for eBay, that's fine. Amazon, I would never do that. I would have to make sure I found the correct car, but on eBay, at least you could show it in pictures. So the instructions look pretty simple. It shows all the parts, so I'm going to throw them all in the box and hope we have them all. Alright, so for the life of me, I cannot get the box to close again. I don't know how to get it all back in there, but it is complete, which is great. The only thing that's not good is the car that's different, but I'm going to set the whole thing up, take pictures, post it on eBay, and I will be like $30, $40 cheaper than the new ones, and it's all complete in there, which is great, and the other person selling it doesn't have any cars or anything like that, so I think mine will sell. I do, at $4. That is a score. Let's keep looking. Alright, I just spent a long time going through a whole bunch of books, and I found a really cool little batch right here. Sadly, none of them are worth it, so I put them all back. But these are all really cool, old school sci-fi novels that they're just really neat, right? Heritage of Hastor, never heard of it. Never heard of any of these actually. When the Kissing Had to Stop, and they're all $1.99 each. I looked every single one of them up. Some of these are first editions, and they just don't go for that much money, sadly. They're really cool. If they were $1 each, I might grab them all and try to build a big lot over on eBay at, you know, like $3 a book, but I'm not even gonna do that because at $2 each, they're just not worth it. The artwork is really cool on them, but I did grab a couple things that are very interesting. The first one is The Stars Are Too High. Nobody is selling this on eBay. There are no sold comps, there are no listed, nothing. I did Google Lens on it, still nothing. And I see people talking about it online, so it looks kind of neat. I'm gonna post it online. It's $2. I'll throw it up for like 15-20 bucks, but I'll do more research before I just throw up a willy-nilly price. I also grabbed 2 books for myself, which that's rare. But Mr. Blandings Builds His Dream Home. I love this movie. I think it's from the 30s, maybe the 40s. When was the book written? Here we go. Yeah, it's definitely the 40s. The book was written in 1946. I don't know if this is a first edition or anything, but I love this. It takes place of a guy wanting to leave New York and build a house in the suburbs in Connecticut, and I live in Connecticut, so this is cool. I love the movie. I have the movie, but I didn't even know there was a book, so I'm getting that for myself, and I thought this was really neat. This is America, Its History and People. It's $3, and cheapest one on eBay is $15 right now, and but there's no solds. It's from 1934. I think it's a first edition, and it's cool. It's just like a whole history breakdown of America from the perspective of 1934. The last few chapters are talking about war looming, and it's really neat, so I'm getting that for myself. It's awesome when you can find things for yourself at the thrift store for like $2-3, so we'll keep looking. One thing I will never understand, because I see this ebb and flow all the time at thrift stores when it comes to pricing. For the 10 years I've been doing this, I've seen these prices ebb and flow. And so every DVD here used to be $2, but they added 99 cents to everything. So DVDs technically went down a penny, which is great. Blu-rays used to be $3, and so technically they went down a penny, which is great. So you see a bunch of $2.99s, but then all of a sudden $7.99, $7.99, $7.99, another one, $7.99. Raising the prices to $8 is just, they're never gonna sell, ever. And they'll sit here, they'll go half off, and maybe they'll sell at $4, and then they'll get thrown to the bins. Again, $5, like $5. I'll never grasp it. At $2.99, $1.99, those are fine. Some DVDs used to be $1, not anymore. So, you know, it is what it is, but I'll never understand $8 at a thrift store for a DVD. It just doesn't make sense. This Wallace and Gromit VHS set is really cool. It's 3 tapes for $2.99, and I scanned it in. Here it is, with a lot of reviews, selling for $52. That is wild. We're gonna grab it. $52. Even if I can only sell it for like 20, 30, it's still worth it. We're grabbing this. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, first things first, came right back to the toys, and the first thing I'm seeing here, 2 sealed board games, some sort of Rudolph game and a Christmas Vacation game. Ooh, this one does have a little rip in the plastic there. Don't love that, but still, they are new. Maybe they're worth it used, because I don't think I would sell something with a rip like that on Amazon. It's a shame. You know, I'll pop up both prices on here on the screen. We have a Rudolph Christmas Journey game and a Christmas Vacation card scrambler. I'm gonna stick them in the cart at $4 each. That's a good deal. All right, just a little bit lower, I saw this Harry Potter Back to Hogwarts game, kind of cool, for $4. And there was also this Disney Princess Chutes and Ladders. I threw them both in the cart before I could even grab the camera, and then figured I'd film this. The Hogwarts game at $3.99. Scanned it in, and take a look at that. Almost 40, wild. Let's scan in the other one together, see what it's going for. All right, so we got the barcode right here, and this is also $4. We'll hit the little scanner right there, see what we got. And okay, it's not going for as much, $16.99. So you'd make $8.76 minus the 4. Still almost a $5 profit. We'll grab it. Easy, brand new sealed. I love it. All right, just walked around from the toys and I came over to this kind of kitchenware area and I saw 2 Wilton cake pans. I still buy these and sell these all the time. And this one right here looked like My Little Pony. And what is it? $2.99, so $3. I am seeing some dents in it though, so I'm not gonna pick it up because of the dents, but I wanted to look it up and see if this one had any value. I typed it in on Amazon and here it is, selling used for $33. You'd make $22.36, so pretty interesting right there. I didn't realize this one goes for that much, but good to know if I ever see it again in the future. And maybe we'll look this one up also. Oh, this one is, actually it might not be dented. It is also $2.99, but it looks pretty messed up right there. I can't tell. Maybe not. Maybe those are just the grooves it's supposed to have. We'll look it up real quick. How you look it up, they all have a little number on it right here. So what does that say? 2105-8934. We'll look it up, see what pops up. So I did type it in and nothing came up. So this one's probably not on Amazon, so it doesn't matter. I wasn't gonna grab it anyways because it's in kind of rough shape. So hey, it is what it is. All right, guys. So taking a look at some media, we have 3 winners right here. First winner is The Witches on VHS. Nobody's selling it new on Amazon, but used it's going for $20, and it's only 2. So new, it's got to be going for more than that, right? So we're grabbing that. Put that right there. Next is Puss in Boots on VHS, but this isn't the Puss in Boots from Shrek. This must be the original. I have no idea. But I do know some of these actors down here, especially that guy. I remember him. He plays like the dad or the principal and something. Oh no, the Santa Claus. Yeah, he plays the dad in the Santa Claus. It's kind of interesting. But this is on Amazon for like $60, $70. I don't think it's actually gonna sell for that much. But even if it goes for $20, $30, that's great. So I'm gonna grab it. And then the last thing we got, it's a shame. This is brand new sealed, but you could see the seal is ripped. So yeah, there's only one used one on Amazon for $80, no new. This is new, but again, I have to sell it as used. It is what it is. At $3, I'll take that gamble. This thing's probably out of print, so it sells for more money. I love when that happens. Stick that in there. And I don't know if you guys saw a little bit earlier, I did have this in the cart. I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. I have to look it up, but it's a Disney's Animal Kingdom Winnie the Pooh for $3.99 snow globe. Shake it on up. Looks good. Works. Doesn't play music or anything. Normally the music ones are the ones that are worth a little bit of money, but I'm gonna do a little bit of research into this right now and we'll see if it's worth something. So kind of what I thought, it really needs to have a music player to be worth much. $24 with free shipping or $11.49 with shipping, and that one comes with the original box. So I'm not even gonna bother at $4, leaving it behind. It's really cool, but they gotta play music for them to be worth some money, at least from what I've seen. I'm sure there's exceptions to the rule, but we'll leave it behind. And we do have some pretty sweet stuff in here, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I wasn't finding much more in here, so I came to the glass case and I saw down here a whole Harry Potter kind of book set. And I see book number 1 is missing. So it's just books 2 through 7, missing a book, and they're asking $15. And I looked it up online, and it's a shame because it is selling for $62. Let's refresh this to get the total amount I'd make on it. So here it is, yeah. I'd make $41. Man, what a shame that it's missing book 1. At $15, maybe I could buy book 1 online on eBay or something for like $6 shipped and still make $20-ish on it. But to be honest, I'll forget about it. I mean, I could buy right now, but I don't need to. I'm leaving it behind. Somebody else can do that, but there is profit there. There's a little Lego set right here I'm gonna look up, but they are asking $6, which we'll see if that's worth it. So how I look it up, I'll just go to my little search icon and I'll type in Lego space, and then what do we got here? 11007. So we'll go 11007. And let's see what happens there. Here it is, and it sells for $13. You'd make $7.65, but it costs $6, so I'm not gonna do it for $1. We'll leave it behind. Alright, so I thought it'd be cool to do a little potential profit breakdown at the end of this video, and you guys can see the totals of all these items popping up on the screen. We found some really cool things I'm going to take gambles on, things that will for sure sell for great money, like that Bartesian. This VHS tape, who knows, it might take a little while. These board games, they've already sold, that's great. This Hogwarts thing, already sold, that's great. Chutes and Ladders, already sold, that's great. These things, I don't think they're shipped in yet, but they will soon. Grand total of $355. Let's go.